case I lose you, what I do, I leave my one piece of weight there.
I'm Sujit, and the diving instructor work for LSR Diving Company. We have all facilities for experienced divers or all kind of beginners up to dive master. We train here open water diver, and then we are only the international insurance holder in Sri Lanka. Also PADI present us the Gold Palm Resort Association. Only we are the holder for this, and anyone who come to us our place for diving and all other water sport activities, it's really safe.
Hello, good morning. I am Franklin, the manager in charge of Marina Hotel in Bentota. Our hotel belongs to LSR Hotels company, and also we will have a hotel with 13 rooms with well furnished rooms and double beds and jacuzzi and all the other facilities with mini bar. And also we have a swimming pool as facilities for our guests. And whoever the guest comes here, they will never feel that they are in a hotel. They will feel that they are at their own home with our staff, a beautiful staff with a show kitchen, and also with so much of facilities on both sides, water, the Bentota beach, the resort, and also the Bentota river. And it's a small island called Paradise Island in the southern coast of Sri Lanka. I would like to invite all our guests right down the world to come and stay with us and feel that you are in your own home. You are welcome. Thank you.
Hi, I am Sachindra, head chef at Marina Bentota. Marina Bentota is a small and medium luxury hotel which is providing very personalized service to each and every guest who is staying with us. We serve large varieties of seafood like lobsters, prawn, tuna and barracuda, and cook as you like, as we located between the river and sea. I invite all of you to come and stay with us and feel our personalized service and absorb the beauty of Marina. Thank you.
My company is called LSR. We started in 1982 with the special interest to us. We are very much known in the country for all the water sports, including diving. We are a diving school, PADI school in Sri Lanka. And we also have our nature sports business, that is rafting, canoeing and kayaking, and also biking, hiking, all the special interests inside the country. We organize big event in the country, especially the adventure event as well as many team building events. And today we are one of the largest inbound operator in Sri Lanka, and we have our meeting and incentive department, we have our general inbound department, and also we have our own fleet of vehicle. The vehicles are more than 55. We have 160 people working in this building, and we also have our own small hotel, which are niche hotel, including the one you saw, including all these, special interest tours and also the water sports and nature tours. And we are very much geared here, and we are working with everybody in the country. We are working with all the hotels in the country, and we really welcome Koreans with the new development of this country. This is the beautiful country to come and visit. You can have a nice culture, nature, wildlife, and also beach stay within the short time. So we welcome all of you.